Beta, what are you saying?
Good morning, sir. Abhiyan Duhan present.
Gyan Duhan, good morning. Abhiyan Duhan, how are you?
Good morning, sir. Rishabh Shukla present.
Good morning, Abhiyan beta, how are you? आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
Sir, I have drawn all the figures of polygon.
Sorry, what happened, Bhakti?
Sir, I have drawn all the figures of polygons.
Okay, so what did I tell you to do yesterday? क्या बोला था
Sir,
मैंने?
polygon.
Can you tell me what did I what was? Can you show me a notebook, Bhakti?
Sir, please see this.
So, where is the video? Very good. And have you written the angle sum property of each of these? What is the sum of all the angles in each case? You have not written.
Sir, you have only said to draw it.
I only told you to draw it.
Sir,
You have
today
not-
we will do you have said this one. Sir, you have
Okay.
said that we have
Sir, you
to
have told that we have to find out this also, like 180 plus 180 plus.
That means what is the angle sum property of each polygon? ये भी बोला था मैंने. Ashwa, have you done it?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can you show it to me?
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा, can you take it a little closer? Very good. So you had to write the angle sum property like Ashwa has written here. Sum of all angles equals to, in a pentagon, hexagon, whatever the sum of all the angles. This also you had to write. Have you all written? Bhakti, write the angle sum property also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What about the others? Written or not? Pratishtha beta, how are you? Pratishtha, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Sahab. Oh, good morning to you.
Okay. I'm asking, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
How is Bhaiya?
Yeah, Bhaiya is also fine.
He is also fine. You know, why are you not attending the maths classes regularly, Pratishtha?
So because of some network issues, because my brother, Bhaiya ki bhi classes chal rahi hai na. That's why.
So
And
both are-
he just
both are-
connect with the hotspot. That's why.
Okay.
Now when he will go to the school, then there will be no network issues.
Okay. So
He will go to the
he has
school.
gone to the school today or not?
No, sir. Sir, they like Kavya and Bhaiya all will go together.
Okay. So today nobody has gone.
His all friend will go together. Yes, sir. With the cycle, they will go.
So
All-
what we will be doing today?
All the taekwondo team will go together.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Taekwondo team. Beta, we will be doing the next exercise. I hope you all have written the angle sum property in each case. So let us start with the last exercise of the chapter. 18.3. You can take help from the table given. I think it is exactly the same. Take help from the table only if you don't understand. Okay, otherwise you can do it on your own also, because I have explained everything. For example, let me give you an example how to fill the table.
Sir, my notebook is finished, so sir, can I bring the new one?
Yes. Better in this period you don't need the notebook. We will do the exercise in the book only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can take it out afterwards.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, tomorrow only we have got the syllabus of finals. So it means
Yesterday.
it means the papers will also be quick.
मतलब the exams are going to start earlier. You mean to say this?
Yes, sir, because the syllabus has come so
Too
early.
early. I can't say anything about this beta. Maybe I am not sure, but maybe it is my assumption that exams are going to start in the month of March only, or in the very end of February, after
Sir, I
25th.
think in the very end of February. So
Yeah.
because I think they have sent the syllabus this early because there was a lot of syllabus in all the
Yes.
chapters. There were a lot of chapters.
Maybe you can consider this that maybe after 20th of February, exams are going to start after 20th of February. Okay. Somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here is a table given on page number 148. You have to fill this table. I'm giving you an example. What do you call a quadrilateral which has 5 sides? 5 sides. What do
So
you call a
pentagon.
Pentagon.
The pentagon.
call it a pentagon? So I am drawing a pentagon here. It has 5 sides. You can see. Okay. So we can name it as A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. Is the name. Now, how many diagonals you can draw from only one vertex of a pentagon? You choose only one vertex, A. From A, I can draw only 2 diagonals. Is it clear, all of you? I can draw only 2 diagonals
sir.
using vertex A. So first of all, in the first column, ये जो 5 sides वाला जो है, look at the third row. In the first column, third row, you can see number of sides written 5. Can you see it in the table? Number of sides 5. Okay.
Yes,
So what
sir.
is the name of this quadrilateral which has 5 sides? The name is
Pentagon.
So pentagon.
and number of diagonals from one vertex. How many diagonals?
Sir, 3.
Only 2. Number of diagonals only 2 from one vertex. Only 2 diagonals. 2. Okay. So here you will fill 2. Then number of triangles in the polygon. Now how many triangles are formed in this polygon? How many triangles are there? Count the number of triangles.
So 3.
Sir, 3.
1, 2, 3. 3 triangles are there. Okay. So in this one you will fill 3. And what is the sum of all the angles of the polygon? What is the sum of all the angles?
The
It is
480. 540.
540. 180 plus 180 plus 180, because there are 3 triangles. 180 plus 180 plus 180. The sum will be equals to 540 degrees. Okay.
Sir, it is the table of 180.
Yes, 180 into 3. So it will be 540. Similarly, you have to fill the whole table. Okay. And if you are facing any problem, you can ask me. or you can take help from this table also. It is same as this table given on the previous page.
Sir,
This
I have
is the
done.
table. Okay,
Search
start
the
doing
table.
it, all of you. Exercise number 3, 18.3. Start doing it.
Sir, I have done already. Sir, yesterday I have only done for
Very,
the practice of final exam.
very good, beta. Okay, have you all done? Completed the table?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
completed?
sir.
Sir, I have done without taking the help.
Very good, excellent. Everyone else?
Sir, I have also done.
Very good. So anyone, do you need any help in any of the parts? Any question?
No, sir.
No? You all have understood everything? मैं किसी में help करूँ आपको? Let me help you in nonagon. Do you want me to help you in nonagon or decagon? मैं कोई भी एक बता
No,
देता हूँ.
sir.
Let me tell you any one of
No,
these.
sir.
फिर भी मैं बता देता हूँ because maybe हो सकता है some students are shy, they are not asking. I don't know why, but still. Let us assume that few of you are shy to ask your problems. मान लेते हैं छोटे बच्चे हैं बेचारे शर्माते हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं चलिए so nonagon first of all nonagon has how many sides it has 9 sides
9 sides.
okay the name is nonagon 9 sides okay 9 sides ka polygon if I make it I have to make it something like this it has I will be making 9 sides 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4
And sir, 6 vertex.
6 7 and 8 so this has 9 sides okay so there are 1 a b c d e f e h how many vertices are there a b c d 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 तो 8 हुई हैं यार this is not a monogon it has only 8 sides how many sides 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
Sir, it's an octagon.
it's an octagon we should make a nonagon 9 sides not an octagon it is difficult to make a nonagon or a decagon that is why they have also not made it very clever how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 congratulations can celebrate now a b c d e
Sir, you can also make a decagon.
yes I can also make a decagon I can make more than dodecagon do you know what is a dodecagon has 12 sides that is known as a dodecagon which has 12 sides okay
Okay, sir.
this
Sir,
polygon
make that.
Okay,
sir,
sir.
make that.
it will be very difficult but I can make it okay so choose any one vertex let me choose the vertex b and now I will be drawing all the possible diagonals from vertex b okay first diagonal second diagonal third diagonal fourth diagonal fifth diagonal and sixth diagonal. How many diagonals from the same vertex? 6 diagonals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have you also written number of diagonals equal to 6 from one
Yes,
vertex?
sir.
Very good.
Yes,
How many
sir.
triangles? Let us count the number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles. Everyone? 6 diagonals and 7 triangles. So number of diagonals.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Diagonals
sir.
वाले column में it will be 6 and triangles कितने बनेंगे triangles will be 7 okay so we are talking about nonagon has 9 sides 6 diagonals from one vertex and number of triangles 7. Okay. One more thing is
Okay,
left,
sir.
the sum of all the angles. So how many triangles? 7 triangles are there.
1,260.
Therefore, you multiply 180
1260.
multiplied by 7.
Yes,
180,
sir.
because there are 7 triangles. आप 180 को 7 से multiply कर दीजिए. You will get 1,260.
1260.
Got it, everyone? Have you all
Yes,
understood
sir.
everything?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have understood.
Very good.
Sir, I have also.
Similarly,
I
we
also
do it for decagon also. Decagon, octagon, septagon, everything. Okay. Okay, chalo, let's do something else. What is this?
Sir,
given?
shall we revise our activities so that there are 2-digit number like 95 we have to solve it.
Okay.
95 multiplied by 95.
Okay. You want to do that activity?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, this chapter is over. This was the last exercise. All this is activity work.
No, sir, there is one solid figures also.
Solids. There is a topic solids. Mean the solids. Reflection. Oh, reflection भी पढ़ा रहे हैं. Symmetry भी पढ़ाएंगे क्या? Symmetry of solids. Okay, very good, very good, very good. So we will do this also. All this portion. We will do it tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we will celebrate Christmas. Maybe day after tomorrow, Boxing Day. Do you know the day after Christmas is known as Boxing Day?
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir, I think. Sir, why is it known as Boxing Day?
Maybe because we have a different kind of days. We have Father's Day, Mother's Day,
Sir?
Women's Day, Sister's Day, Brother's Day.
Today is no holiday.
We have different
Sir, we
kinds.
have a holiday on Christmas.
We have Boxing Day.
Sir, we have a holiday on Christmas.
Sir, it should have been Unboxing Day.
It should be a
Unboxing
holiday
Day.
tomorrow, I think. Sorry, Aspa?
Sir, I was saying that it should have been Unboxing Day. Because, sir, everyone unboxes their presents on this day.
Very, very thoughtful. Very, very thoughtful, Aspa. You are absolutely right. क्या बात है? It should be named as Unboxing Day because we unbox our gifts, Christmas gifts. Unbox होते हैं उस दिन, so it is Unboxing Day.
Okay. Yes,
Nice.
sir.
Very thoughtful. Boxing Day, I think the boxing is a sport. Do you all know it? That boxing is a sport.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. Which is your favorite sport?
my favorite sport. I like two sport the most. Cricket and football. I like cricket and football. And other than cricket and football, I
Sir,
like
which is your favorite sports?
favorite are cricket and football. Yours, Abhiyan? Your favorite sport? Let me guess, is it football? Okay, what's your name?
Skating.
See what's your mother? Okay. Are you all? Your voice बहुत late आ रही है आपके पास. Are you all able to hear me?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, tomorrow is holiday or not?
It should be a holiday tomorrow. It should be.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Should be. I'm not sure. The official announcement will be made maybe today, in the evening. Okay, so it should be a holiday.
So the voice is coming from Shivam Patel's audio.
शिवम पटेल क्या कर रहे हो? कैसी आवाजें आ रही है? Okay, Pratishtha, what is your favorite sport? Do you play sport, Pratishtha?
My favorite sport, skating I love, but dance is all good.
Dance, not
Skating
taekwondo.
also I do, but this time also I have taken skating, but school are not open.
Okay, so you don't do taekwondo like your brother?
Sir, I like taekwondo, but I don't just prefer that it's harmful for us.
Okay, it is dangerous.
It's dangerous. But my brother loved taekwondo.
Okay, he loves taekwondo. But
Yes,
it is
sir.
a risky sport, you think?
Yeah.
Dangerous. So,
But sir, it's good for self-defense.
yes, it is good
Yes,
for
it's good.
self-defense. It is good for fitness. All these sports are good for fitness. I also like sports and I really work hard for fitness also. These days I'm doing cycling. I told you that day also that I have bought a new cycle.
Yes, sir.
I'm doing
Sir,
cycling.
Yes,
your
sir.
cycle was looking good.
I like
I
dancing.
think I also. In the evening, I just drive my cycle.
Very good.
It's like a bike. It's like a bike.
I like dancing,
Sir,
like working out, doing running, jogging, all these things.
so my hobby is also to do cycling. Sir, I do it every day nowadays.
Okay, so one day I will come to your house and we will go for cycling together.
Okay, sir.
Where is your house? Aspa?
Sir, it's in Garden City,
Where is Garden City? Is it
near Visalpur Road. Near
What is it?
Visalpur Road.
Visalpur. So is it a garden
Sir,
or
Aswa's home is
Sir,
near my
where you
home.
live? Sir, at which place you
In
I
Green
live
Park.
near old GRM school, the old branch of GRM. I live near that.
Okay.
One
Sir,
day I saw
what?
Sir, I have visited there.
You have visited?
Sir, what? Please tell again.
My home is near the old branch of GRM school.
Okay, sir.
It
Yes,
is.
sir.
Have you ever seen
This is
Rajendra?
too far
Have you
from
ever
my
been to
home.
Rajendra?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rajendra to सब गए होंगे. Rajendra, it is about one and a
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is about
Sir,
one and a
I saw.
Rajendra. Nearly 1.5 kilometers from Rajendra.
One day I saw you in Green Park.
You saw me in Green
I
Park.
think that you were only.
I have my coaching in.
Yes, sir.
I have my coaching in Green Park.
Ah,
Very often I go to Green
my
Park.
brother was telling that.
Yes.
Sir, it's
So my
10:30.
It's 10:30. So we will end the meeting.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you. Bye bye. Take care. We will meet day after tomorrow. Merry
Bye,
Christmas.
sir.
Bye, sir.
thank you, sir.
No, sir,
Bye-bye,
today is
sir.
not
Merry
for our
Christmas.
period.
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
today-
Shivam is Patel is present.
Bye, sir.
Bye
Bye,
bye.
sir. Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
He
Bye,
will wish you.
Sir,
Patel is
today is your
present.
period also.
I
Sir,
have
there
another
is one more
period.
period.
I have
Yes,
another
sir, last period.
last period.
Last
No, my
period you
brother
have.
is saying that
Yes,
he
sir.
will wish you
I
at
take
12 o'clock.
wishes. I take back the wishes. Okay, I will wish you in the last period again. Okay. Bye.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, sir.
brother wish करेंगे. My brother.
Bhakti, your sister, say hello to her.